Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. So, first, cheers. And now, let's look at these 364's. Commodore 64's were keyboard dirty. Needs cleaning. Said okay. Big 2 and sit in sockets. A bit slow coming to life. Interesting. A bit slow coming to life. Interesting. Well, let's just set that over there for a second. Commodore 64 dead. All major chips socketed, plus 4 RAM chips. SID chip was bad. I'm keeping the 64 from powering up. Other SID did same. Contact cleaner fixed. A bit slow coming up. I sense a trend. And this one is the one I used to fix it. Works. Okay. And here is the very bad SID chip that would not let this machine come to life. All right, I'm going to try something here. Power go in. Monitor connect. Now I'm going to take these. Set them down very carefully onto what was a nice clear floor, but now is no longer. I'm going to turn the monitor on. I am. Oh yes, of course we are on the air. All right, I'm going to turn this on and try to do a count on how long it takes to come up. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Try that again. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's not bad. Is that a little slow? I don't know. All right. Let's do this one. Maybe it's all in my mind. Maybe it's in my mind. Okay. Monitor. Okay. On 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Not bad. Now that it's on, we'll try that again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it's in my mind. Maybe it's all in my mind. Maybe it is. Oh. Okay. All right, let's try this one. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all about the same. Maybe it's all in my head. Okay, well, I do need to get things out of here. I do. Because I have something to work on. So, I should update the card. Works. Okay. Now, I think this was the keyboard. It does seem to pretty much, no, it doesn't really match the discoloration, but then they don't always. Oh, okay, wait a second. Yeah, this is the one. One key, oh no it is not. One key missing. One key missing is over here. Oh yeah, okay. So, we'll pop this on, pop this in, connect the keyboard, and I believe I said, oh yeah, it really doesn't match very well, look at that. But anyway, that's the way it is. Okay. Oh, maybe it's the other one. Anyway, right now, I'm going to put one screw into this 64 before it goes away to the pile. Okay, you can sit there. Now, what is this? Keyboard dirty, needs cleaning. Okay, so this one is together. Good. I think this is the third of the three. Power up did, slight noise on power up, no video, did test, zip. Oh, okay, so this one has not been examined. It has not. So, let's see about that. We will see about that. So this is the keyboard. From here. I can sit there. This is a Commodore 64. It's a 254425 board. And it works just dandy. From what I can tell, this is one of the test machines. So, let's see here. Give it one last crank up with the diagnostic cartridge installed. And up it comes, and it's lovely. This is the Retro Rewind 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge. It's quite wonderful. I'm still looking for my other stuff that I know I took to the world of Commodore, but I can't find it. I'm very baffled, very disturbed, very baffled and disturbed. So we'll just let this run through. I do. Well, you know what? I did want to find another bag for this chip, but before anything else goes wrong, I'm just going to pop it in the bad bag. Goodbye, bad bag. There we are. Okay, so this is the TED 64. Lovely. And you know what I found here? It's a tiny little sliver of Commodore 64 plastic. And why is it there? I don't know. But things happen. Things happen. They do. There's some more screws. I'll put them over it. On top of the, well, it's the 128. It is the 128 thing. It's a thing. It's the video cover thing. There's another little piece of something. Get rid of that. All right. So next time we'll look at the 64, but I do have to get this desk cleared off because there's a 4032 coming. There is. All right. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day.